Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a mini project. It's a to-do list. So first of all, I'm going to create a function called ToDo List. Okay, and then we're going to print a message to the user. Number one, I'm going to add a job to the list. Number two, I'm going to delete all jobs. Number three, we're going to view jobs. And number four, we're going to exit. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create a variable called option, which will get input from the user using the input here. Tell the user to enter an option. Okay. Now we're going to come on to the conditional, where we're going to evaluate the options. So we do that with if. So if option say is equal to 1 here, so if the user chooses option 1, we're going to do something. Create a variable here called job, assign it to input, and we're going to tell the user to enter a job. And then when the user's entered a job, say cleaning or something like that, we create a little list here called to do. Say to do jobs, make it a little bit clearer. So that's the list there. And to do jobs dot append, we will append the job there. Okay, so we're going to come on to the next one. So we use elif here. The option is equal to 2, which is going to be delete all. To do jobs dot clear. Then we print out list cleared. Then we print out the list to show you that it's been cleared. To do jobs. Right. Okay, let's go down a little bit further here. We're going to do another elif. The option is equal to 3 here. And option 3 is view jobs. simply print to do jobs. Okay, so and the last one is for. So if option is equal to 4, which is exit, we're going to print by, and then simply exit, or else find one, else if it's anything else we're just going to simply print invalid input. Okay, right, all we have to do now is we're just going to do ToDo List to take us back here. After option 2, I'm going to do ToDo List. After option 3, your jobs, we're going to go ToDo List. And we can leave option 4. So let's just save that. Let's just run it. Add a job. So we're going to do option 1. Okay, add a job, cooking. Okay, option 1 again. Add a job, gardening. Okay, I'll do option 1, add a job, let's say cleaning. Right, okay, so I want to view the jobs, number 3. So there we go, we've got cooking, gardening and cleaning. Okay, number 2, I want to delete the jobs. So there we go, list cleared. Option 4, I want to exit. Okay, so there we go, we've exited the program. Bye. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.